Join me on my last week in Merida, Mexico. Alright, you guys, this is one of the outfits I'm wearing this week. So this is from Torrent. I also have biker shorts underneath. The biker shorts are from Forever 21, my tattoo, and then these socks are from Conscientious Step. Into the shop, let me show you guys. So Chudari, Selecto. So I went to 2 bakeries basically, and now I'm gonna go shopping, and then I'm gonna go back home. And then I'll show you guys what I got. I'll show you guys what's in my basket, and then I can get more detail when I get home. Okay, let me show you. So it's obviously a fruit run. There's only like fruit in there. That's all I got. Y'all, is that raspberry flavored Coca-Cola? Look at these interesting flavors I've never seen before. Isn't that wild? Y'all, I'm crazy because I'm walking with all these groceries and I'm walking back to my house and it's 90-something degrees with high humidity most likely. So I was like, I want to get some sun. And I'm holding 20 and 30 pounds worth of groceries. So that's always fun. Okay, you guys, I made it back. I almost died. I feel like I almost died. I'm over exaggerating, but it's super hot. It's about a 20-minute walk. I had to stop several times because it's hot. All right, I'm gonna tell you guys what I got from the store, and I already started putting stuff away, so sorry, I forgot. I was supposed to show you guys. Okay, so I probably spent about $25 US on groceries. But anyway, so I got 10 mangoes. It's my favorite type of mango. I got a Santa Claus melon, which you guys saw me eat for a breakfast meal. I got green apples. This is from a past trip. This avocado I gotta eat today. Apple from past trips. So everything else is from past trips. I bought half a papaya. This is from a previous trip. That's the bread that I bought from Pawn and Coffee. Bananas, I did buy these 2 things of bananas there. I bought these grapes, these raspberries, and I think that is everything that I bought from the store. I forgot, I also got 2 baked goods from Justo. That's the other place, the other bakery I went to today. All right, I am hungry. I'm going to have a banana date smoothie, and I also have a leftover big slice of watermelon I'm going to eat. Now I'm gonna eat and I'm gonna go to the spa to get a facial, my last facial while being here, and I'm gonna get a massage. I'm gonna also take a quick rinse because I'm sweaty and gross and people gotta touch my body, so I'm gonna help them out by rinsing off. Alright, you guys, I'm in the room where I'm going to get my massage and my facial. Let me show you the room a little bit, and then I have to go on the table. See? Little table. And yeah. Alright, I'm going to enjoy myself. I'll see you guys later. I just finished my facial and my massage, and it was so good. I am relaxed and chill. It was really good. I strongly recommend it, you guys. It cost me about $13.50 in Mexican pesos. So you guys do the math. 20 pesos to $1 US. All right, see you guys later. Mi pasatiempo favorito es. ¿Cuáles son tus pasatiempos? ¿Qué haces en tu tiempo? ¿Qué haces en tu tiempo libre? Me gusta, no me gusta. Look at the ducky coming near us.
No tenemos comida.
Oh, they're so beautiful. They're like, humans, give us some food. Like, no, you guys gotta find your food in the water somewhere. So cute. It's another day at the grocery store. Let me show you guys what I got. Okay. See? So the Pop-Tarts are not mine. And everything else is mine. Of course, we just have garbage bags. But basically what you see is what I have. I did get like some processed vegan nuggets. I got some greens. That's a little different from before, those two things. And I got some papayas, some mangoes, raspberries. I got 10 mangoes. Usually that's the number I like to get, is 10. I'm trying this. This is basically like green wheat. So I want to try that with some vegetables and some teriyaki sauce at home. I got some frozen blueberries. I have black grapes. They're delicious. And then I have a Santa Claus melon and I have mandarins. This is my favorite reusable grocery bag. It got damaged because I've been using it so many times and I've been putting heavy stuff in it. So I decided that I wanted to repair it. I bought a repair kit here in Merida. As you can see the damage. And my grandmother taught me how to sew. So I'm going to try the best of my ability to repair the bag the best I can. And you guys are now going to see the result of me repairing the bag. I tried my best to show you guys, but sometimes the camera doesn't like to focus. So you guys have bought this new product and I don't know how I'm going to like it, but it's green wheat. This is what it looks like. It looks like rice. So I'm supposed to soak it. It's optional, soak it for 15 minutes and then cook it. So we'll see. Okay, this is the green wheat. As you can see, it looks a lot like rice. It kind of smells like rice, but like a little tint of like smell of wheat actually. And then I have some corn and asparagus. So this is part of one of my meals I'm having this week. This week, this dress is from Torrid. It's one of my favorite dresses, very cute. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful this tree is behind me. I'm back at my favorite park. This is the last day for a long time before I'll be able to come to this park again, because this is my last day in Merida. And then I'm gonna go to Cancun for a couple days and then somewhere else. You guys will see that later. In my next video, you guys will see where I am gonna be doing and going next. Alright you guys, it's the end of the video. We are going to Cancun Thursday night. See you guys later. Bye.